Today, I'll show you how to change payment profile in Google AdSense. First, open your browser and go to Google AdSense. Sign in with the Google account connected to your AdSense account. Once you are inside your AdSense dashboard, look at the menu on the left side. Click on Payments. Then click Payments Info. On this page, look for the Settings section. Click Manage Settings. Now you should see your payments profile. This is where Google keeps important payment details like your name, address, account type, tax information, and sometimes your payment profile ID. If you only need to update simple information, such as your address, click the pencil icon or edit option next to the details you want to change. Enter the new information carefully, then click Save. Make sure your name and address match your real information. Google may use these details for payments, tax forms, and account verification. Now, it is important to understand that not everything in your payment profile can be changed. For example, your country is usually locked after your AdSense account is created. Your account type, such as individual or business, may also be locked in many cases. So, if you want to change small details, like your address in the same country, you can usually do that from the payment settings. But if you want to change the country or switch from an individual account to a business account, Google may not allow you to edit that directly. In that case, the usual option is to close your current AdSense account and create a new one with the correct payment profile details. Before closing any account, always check your unpaid balance, payment method, and tax information. If your account is eligible for a final payment, Google may send it after the account is closed. Also remember that your payment profile is connected to how you receive money from AdSense. So before saving any changes, double-check all details carefully. After updating your payment profile, go back to the Payments page and review your payment method. Make sure your bank account or payment option is still correct. So, to keep it simple, go to Payments, then Payments Info, then Manage Settings. From there, you can edit the payment profile details that Google allows you to change. And that's how you change payment profile in Google AdSense. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.